Hello, Chef here. I'm about to cut this beautiful avocado. This is one of these awesome Calavo, Mexico avocados. It's big, it's nice. I'm using this global knife. I want to make sure this baby's really sharp before I get into the avocado. So I'm using the strop on it. The strop polishes the very edge of the blade, and it's going to make it just a little bit sharper. I like my knives to be very, very sharp. Obviously, when you're done with the strop, you got to wipe that baby off and remove any leather particles that are left behind. But that really adds a serious edge to this knife, and wow, what a sweet knife this is right here. So here you go. This avocado, I've given it a little touch testing here. It's perfectly ripe. It's beautiful. Let's see what's inside. Oh yeah. Perfect. I do like the fact that the knife cuts so cleanly and so thin. It just helps you get the fruit out better. And wow, that's really, really nice. This is a perfectly ripe avocado. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about in just a second. Okay, so when the avocado's ripe, you can tell by squeezing it. When it's perfectly ripe, you can peel it like this, and the fruit just comes right off. Sweet and soft, tender, ready to go. Also, it makes a nice garnish like this. So while I'm at it, I'm going to give you a quick avocado garnish here. All right. There's a few of these we could do, but here's a simple one. Pretty cool. And I'll give you one more. There you go. Standing up on the plate. Pretty cool. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll be back with some more avocado recipes. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. And right now there's a sale going on these awesome global knives. I really, really like them. You will too. They stay sharp. They're balanced perfectly. And a little information for you. Every one of these is full of sand for perfect balance. The handle has grains of sand. Perfectly balanced knife. I like it. Made in Japan. That's it. Like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Have a great day.